submarine. I got the ocean around me, it's blue and green. So many creatures that Cali seen, diving down deep in the submarine. There's an octopus in his garden, there's a pot of dolphins swimming by. I think I saw a great white shark, I looked away right in the eye. I'm diving down deep in the submarine. The ocean around me is blue and green. So many creatures that I have seen, diving down deep in the submarine. There's a seahorse, down for a ride, a little red crab swimming side to side, a stingray or two, the water they glide, and a eel swims past the place that it hides. I'm diving down deep in the submarine. The ocean around me is blue and green. So many creatures that truly have seen, diving down deep in the submarine. Submarine, submarine. I love it here in the deep blue sea. I got miles and miles of ocean stretching in front of me. Millions of colors like aquamarine. Just me and the world below in my submarine. I'm diving down deep in the submarine.